Today we're checking out these MGP Brake Caliper Covers with GMC logo in red for the front and rear of the 2019 and newer Sierra 1500s. If you want to give your truck's brake system a bold visual upgrade without replacing the brakes themselves, then these covers are a stylish, quick install option that are definitely worth checking out. These caliper covers are going to slip over your existing brake calipers to instantly add a red accent and highlight that GMC pride with the logo, turning a standard brake setup into a custom showpiece in no time. They're designed to look just like the real red painted calipers and maintain brake disc visibility for that performance look. Made to fit a broad range of factory caliper dimensions, they're sized to work with both stock and many aftermarket upgraded brake kits without interfering with the pad or the rotor movement. Because they're not going to alter any braking hardware, you retain full performance and safety. This vibrant red finish creates a standout contrast behind those wheels, especially when you're pairing them with dark wheel spokes, drawing attention to one of the most dynamic visual elements of a performance truck, the wheels. Constructed from highly durable steel, these covers are engineered to withstand the heat and the vibration produced during the normal braking operations. The retaining brackets and the clips are included to secure them against the caliper, ensuring they don't shift or rattle under load or over time. The GMC logo is molded or embossed into the cover, so it resists peeling or fading over time, and it's not going to look all dingy and crack off. While it's not load-bearing, the design is precise so that it doesn't interfere with the pad or the rotor clearance over time. As far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around the low $300 price range for a full set. That's a solid price point for a visual upgrade to the braking system that can also help reduce your brake dust over time on the wheels. The installation is going to get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have these installed in 1 hour of your time. So let's head on out to the shop and we're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
First install, you need a ratchet, 10mm socket, and a mallet. All right, today we're going to be installing some caliper covers on our Sierra. So let's get started. All right, so for our front, we have our 2 larger clips. Now they're going to go on the top and bottom of the caliper, and then our cover is going to bolt to that. So let's get these over now. All right, so they're gonna clip basically underneath where the rotor is on the top and bottom. Just push it down until it snaps in place. Same thing on the bottom here. Push that over. We're gonna thread off our nuts here so we can get our cover on. So we'll get our cover, we'll slide that over our 2 studs. Now we may need to move these a little bit just to get everything to line up. It's gonna sit about like that. We'll thread our nuts back on. We'll just get this sit a little bit better. And go ahead, grab our ratchet, 10mm socket, tighten these down. Now you can go ahead and repeat the same thing on the other side and we'll move back to the rear. So for the rear, it's gonna be pretty much the same thing. We have our smaller clips, gonna go over basically on the inside, right where our rotor is. You need to, you can grab a mallet just to help tap this on. But let's get this on now. So we'll get this in place. Just give it a little tap. Same thing on the bottom. We'll thread off our nuts. Go ahead and get our cover on. Thread our nuts back on, and then we'll grab our ratchet 10mm socket and tighten these down. Now you can go ahead and repeat that same thing on the other side of the truck. And that wraps up our install of our MGP Brake Caliper Covers with GMC logo, colored red for the front and rear of our 2019 and newer Sierra 1500. And remember, for everything Sierra, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.